Can you believe there's a little online store making a whopping $21,000 every single month just by selling mugs on Etsy? And guess what? This isn't some unicorn story. There are tons of similar stores crushing it too. Today, we're diving deep into the exact business blueprint that not only helped me rake in my first $100,000 online, but did it in style with a genius twist: the power of AI. Yep, you heard me right. We're talking about the enchanting world of print on demand, a modern twist on dropshipping that's all about mugs. Today, my friends, we're immersing ourselves in the fascinating world of print on demand, a modern take on dropshipping, centered around delightful mugs. We're going to break down the process, decode the business model, and here's the kicker. I'll even walk you through setting up your own store step by step in the most user-friendly way possible. To truly grasp the potential and mechanics of this concept, consider this listing on Etsy. It showcases a straightforward floral print mug that generates approximately $5,000 each month. Despite its simplicity, it proves remarkably effective, with AI assisting us in creating similar designs. The same store also offers comparable listings, like one that earns $1,000 monthly with a remarkably similar design, or another that yields $500 per month, again with a closely related design. Together, these three listings have collectively sold more than 1,191 mugs. Managing such inventory, producing designs, and fulfilling shipments to customers might seem daunting, which is where the concept of print on demand comes into play. It's similar to conventional dropshipping, except you partner with a supplier like Printify, the ultimate sidekick for all your creative endeavors. They've got everything from tees to pillows, socks to posters, and of course the star of our show, mugs. And the best part? They seamlessly integrate with Etsy's bustling marketplace, making your life as easy as pie. Pick a product, slap on a design, more on that in a bit, and list it in your Etsy shop. When a customer hits that buy button, Printify swoops in, works its printing magic, and ships the mug straight to your buyer, all without you breaking a sweat over the nitty-gritty details. All of this transpires without requiring you to manage a physical location, build a website, or engage in advertising. This represents one of the most straightforward entrepreneurial endeavors you can embark upon. Now brace yourselves for some inspiring success stories. We've got strictly business mugs, raking in a jaw-dropping $800,000 just from mugs. Even more astonishing is Less Blues, which has been on Etsy for a shorter duration than strictly business mugs. Yet it has managed to achieve approximately $1.25 million in revenue from mug sales. By examining their designs, it becomes evident that the simplicity of items like a definition mug or a specific mug design has garnered revenues exceeding $7,000 and $6,000, respectively. From that single listing alone, an even more remarkable achievement emerges: the $1.25 million they've generated in revenue over the past 1,735 days, as of the time of recording this video. Although this might sound like an extensive period, it translates to a daily average of $720 or a monthly average of $21,613 since the inception of their account. After examining numerous examples, let's now delve into the exciting process of crafting designs using AI. The initial step involves creating a new Gmail account, ideally bearing the name of your business. This proves valuable as you establish related accounts to keep things organized and distinct from your personal email. Then, on Etsy, navigate to the Sell on Etsy option at the bottom of the page and proceed to open your shop. Employ the business email address you just created for signing up. Utilize the same email to sign up for Printify by connecting your Etsy shop with Printify, ensuring seamless synchronization of products and orders. This integration streamlines operations down the line. With the foundational setup complete, which is remarkably straightforward, the thrilling process of designing products using AI commences. My preferred AI tool for this is Midjourney, an image generation AI with a user-friendly interface. To access it, create a free Discord account and join the Midjourney server through their website's Join the Beta button. A subscription fee of $10 per month provides access to Midjourney's full features and commercial rights for selling images generated. To initiate image creation, navigate to the Midjourney server in Discord and begin by typing a / in the chat box. This action triggers the image generation process based on the text prompt you provide. By crafting prompts, you can instruct the AI to generate images in line with your concepts. The AI produces 4 variations of the image each time you run a prompt, allowing you to select the most suitable design. For example, I would type roses in a watercolor painting style, featuring red petals, prickly thorn details on a white background. Emphasizing the white background is crucial in your prompt. Subsequently, I'll press the Enter key and await the AI's response. Upon executing the prompt, you'll receive 4 fresh images, and remarkably, nearly all of them appear to be quite usable. Below this, you'll find a set of fresh controls. To illustrate, consider the Re-roll button. Clicking on it triggers the prompt to rerun, producing 4 entirely new images. This action can be repeated as often as you desire. If you encounter an image that's almost suitable but not quite perfect, the corresponding variation buttons come into play. By using these buttons, you can generate 4 variations of the image, refining its alignment with your vision. Once a satisfactory variation emerges, you can utilize the corresponding upscale button to enlarge the image. By employing this prompt as a basic template, I managed to create a multitude of exceptional images boasting white backgrounds, ideal for our mug designs. At this juncture, once you possess an image that's visually pleasing and set against a white backdrop, it's feasible to upload it directly onto a Printify mug for immediate sales readiness. However, there are numerous additional avenues to explore within the prompt, aiming for even more refined designs for our mugs. To proceed with these explorations, input a / and access the Settings option. This action will unveil the Settings window, allowing you to determine the degree of stylization or creativity injected into the AI-generated images. For instance, selecting a low stylization level produces images that closely align with the initial prompt specifics. Conversely, opting for higher stylization infuses the AI's inherent creativity, resulting in more imaginative and dynamic outcomes. To illustrate this effect, imagine running the same prompt at varying stylization levels. The resulting images showcase distinct levels of artistic expression. Those on the left end of the spectrum largely conform to expectations set by low stylization, while those on the right exhibit a greater sense of artistic flair and creative intricacies. However, prior to delving into a spree of generating diverse graphics, there's a vital aspect to consider, especially if your intent is to sell these designs on mugs. Crafting the prompt involves selecting important keywords that define the desired images. However, the key part comes towards the end with parameters. These are instructions added to the prompt to guide the AI in creating specific images. For instance, when we wanted seamless patterns, we added -- tile to the prompt. Another crucial one is -- AR for aspect ratio. This helps us make images fit perfectly, like using 293:151 inches for mug printing. With this method, I tried different styles: dogs, rainbows, and bumblebees. These designs could do well with the right mockups. To monetize, upscale a chosen image, save it, and upload it onto a white mug in Printify. It will fit perfectly. For different mugs, minor adjustments might be needed. After generating designs, titles and tags matter for SEO. Look at successful listings on Etsy to get ideas and use similar keywords and tags. For mockups, avoid the default ones. Rather, search Etsy for proven mockups or try free options like rawpixel.com. Edit these mockups using a software tool called Photopea. One concern is full wrap images only show on one side. Edit them to display correctly. For single graphic images, no background removal is needed if it's already white. Use an online tool to remove backgrounds if required. I hope this video inspires you to take action. Remember, with determination and the right knowledge, you have the power to turn your online ventures into lucrative realities. Stay motivated, stay informed, and let's make those online money-making dreams come true.